there, welcome back to the Jobim Clothing YouTube channel. My name is Chanda Akua. I'm the CEO and founder of Jobim Clothing, where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. Welcome back to our series where I'm showing you how to tie your favorite celebrities' head wraps. Yeah, they be wearing them sometimes. You might catch a little picture of it and be wondering, I want to know how to tie that too. All right, so this is the style I'm trying to achieve today. If you would like to see how I tied it my way, then stay tuned. Oh, wait. Before we get to the intro, I have two disclaimers. Number one, in my personal opinion, I do not believe there's any wrong ways to wear a head wrap. A head wrap showcases you and your personality and your style. If it works for you, it works for me, baby. Number two, these aren't going to be exactly the same. They're going to be similar. They're not necessarily going to be exactly the same. Different head wrap, different material. The concept is still the same. And besides, you're going to put your own sparkle sprinkles on it to make it perfect just for you. All right? So let's go. This particular style works with all types of hair types. I'm folding down the fabric just a little bit so that I want it to be enough fabric to cover all of my head at the top. I make sure that I'm pulling the sides around to the front and keeping it as taut as possible. I'm tying it and there's a little space there at the top. If it's not too much, you can just go ahead and tuck the excess in on the side, or you can retie it. Now I have found the shorter of the two sides, and I'm just wrapping it around and finding a good place to tuck it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Here's another view of that. I'm just taking the other leg, twisting it around itself, and then finding a good place to tuck it. And if I find that there's a little bit more sticking out, just tuck it in as well. Now I'm pushing it off my forehead because that's a personal preference, and then just taking a look at it and seeing, do I like it? Is it in the position that I like? There are some more sticking out there that I didn't like, so I just tucked it in, and there is a 360 of the final product. Quick, simple, easy. You can do it too. If you've made it to the end of this video, number one, thank you. Number two, if you could do me a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe so you can catch all the brand new videos on this channel. Most of them will be about African flair, how you can incorporate the products that we sell into your everyday life. But yes, please like and subscribe. And I don't know, will this be the last one in the series? I don't know, come back next week. I'll figure it out. Bye.